Welcome to Product Critique, where we provide in-depth reviews of the latest tech products. Today, we'll be reviewing the MEETION new ergonomic keyboard and mouse combo in a stylish pink color. This combo promises an ergonomic design, seamless multi-device connectivity, and adjustable DPI settings for enhanced productivity. The MEETION keyboard and mouse combo is designed with your comfort in mind. It features integrated wrist rests and a contoured base to promote ideal wrist and forearm positioning, reducing fatigue during long work sessions. This ergonomic design is essential for maintaining your well-being and performance. This combo offers cutting-edge connectivity with 1x2.4G channel and 2x Bluetooth channels. You can effortlessly switch between devices, including your computer, laptop, or Mac, ensuring uninterrupted productivity and a fluid workflow. The MEETION combo includes a unique vertical mouse that reimagines precision. It combines a natural palm orientation with precision-driven functionality, reducing hand strain and improving accuracy. Ideal for intricate tasks and precision work. Tailor your cursor control to perfection with adjustable DPI settings supporting 800, 1200, and 1600. Whether you're doing content creation, data analysis, or design work, expect unparalleled precision. Say goodbye to frequent battery replacements with advanced lithium-ion batteries. The keyboard and mouse have a 500 mAh and 400 mAh battery, respectively, ensuring enduring power. Recharging is simple, ensuring uninterrupted productivity. Enjoy the versatility of a full-size keyboard, complete with an included USB-C adapter for effortless Mac and multi-device compatibility. It seamlessly adapts to various work settings. Unlock unparalleled efficiency with 16 meticulously designed shortcut keys at your fingertips. Streamline your workflow and effortlessly access commonly used functions, maximizing productivity. The MEETION combo combines functionality with a sleek and sophisticated exterior. It seamlessly integrates into diverse work environments, whether it's a professional office or a cozy home workspace. The MEETION new ergonomic keyboard and mouse combo in pink offers exceptional comfort, performance, and versatility. With its ergonomic design, seamless connectivity, and adjustable DPI settings, it's an excellent choice for those seeking enhanced productivity. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to efficiency with this stylish and functional combo. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.